Hey, it's experiment time. So while prowling Goodwills this morning, I found this charger, 199 in its package, original package, unopened, for yeah, $1.99. Um, and and I also got this camcorder battery in its package. Granted, it's from like 1995 or something, but that was at 99 cents or $1.99. And so I'm going to see if the camcorder battery will take a charge. It's lead acid. It's pretty certain it's been depleted for a while and sitting there with very little voltage in it for who knows how long. So I'm monitoring the charge voltage, and it's a 12 volt battery that's supposed to hold, I think it's 1,000 or 1,200 milliamp hours, which would be comparable with like one charge of your cell phone or something. That kind of an older my cell phone, my iPhone 5S. Anyway, yeah, fun stuff. See you next time.